Hello friends, this is Jayacompiler. Today I'm going to explain you the first experiment of a compiler lab. The first experiment talks about token separation. Here is the program I have done about token separation. So, for basic token separation, we need to create a file. So for that file, I have done this code in a Java. So for creation of a file to get everything from that file, I'm doing as file reader. So file reader space file name equal to new file reader, creating file abc.txt. Here I have created abc.txt file. So I'm initializing over here. So this file should read up to the last letter, the last character. So I'm getting as while I equal to f4 dot read is not equal to -1, up to the last character it must read, and for every character it should increment. That is why I'm getting as s equal to s plus character of I. So after reading everything it should be displayed. That is why for that purpose I'm giving a system.out.println of s. The things which have been read will be displayed directly over there, and string tokenizer st equal to new string tokenizer. So this is for next line, for tab space, etc. And here comes for the token separation. The token separation goes like, first thing was I need to get the number of tokens for the entire file. So for that purpose I'm giving as the number of tokens are st.count tokens. This is an inbuilt function, and for getting tokens I'm getting for getting tokens I'm giving a system.out.println. The tokens are, it will give all the tokens. For giving all the tokens I need to write the code. For this code I'm giving as string. There are three types of tokens present over here, like identifiers, keywords, and operators. For each and every purpose I'm giving as x value, y value, and z value. And okay, so I need to identify which are the identifiers, which are the keywords, and which are the operators for all the tokens. So for this purpose I am writing as system.out.println. For giving all the tokens I am giving here, and for accessing that as a keyword, we already know that if else for public, these are the set of keywords. For this purpose I am giving as so x, y, and z I have already given over here. For this purpose, if else for public, private, for all the things present over here will comes under keyword. If at all the file reads these type of things, it will give us keywords. For this purpose I'm giving as keyword. I have already said x and y. X is for identifier, y is for keyword. So I need to increment y if there is any such word like this, and else if there are items like a plus, minus, into, divided by, these are comes under the operator. So operator comes under z. So if at all any type of symbols like this comes in that file, I need to give as increment. So plus plus, z plus plus, and the remaining one was identifiers that will be initialized with x. So the rest of the things other than the keywords and the operators will be as identifiers. So if the rest of the things comes, I'll increment as x plus plus. So if at all the identifiers is present over here, x belongs to identifier. So x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. If any type of identifiers is present over here, so I need to increment the identifier value, and I need to print that identifier value. For this purpose I'm giving us the number of identifiers is plus of x, and the identifiers are system.out.println the identifiers. Similarly for all the set of identifiers, for this purpose I'm giving as a equal to 0. I'm taking this in an array called a. So for a equal to 0, a is less than x, a plus plus. So this continues until the last identifier is completed, and for this purpose I'm even printing this. So system.out.println identifiers of here. This will print all the list of identifiers present. And y indicates the number of keywords. So similarly, for y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, also the number of keywords will be present over there, and even the keyword, the list of keywords also will be printed over here with int b equal to 0, b is less than by b plus plus. Similarly for the z as well, the number of operators will be printed over here. Let us run this program. So here comes the string tokenizer. Everything I have given this code, a sample code over here. This will be printed as token by token over here, like f4.close one token, and here number of token, everything. So the final result will be like this part indicates that the entire thing which we have given in this abc.file, and here the total number of tokens will be present over here. Like it will count all the tokens as system as one token, out as one token, println, like everything will be the total number of tokens present over here as 32. And we have already given the code for finding operators, keywords, and identifiers. So the number of, here comes the identifiers, the total number of identifiers as 30. Here are the list of identifiers which have been identified, and the number of keywords is 1, and the keyword was int, and the number of operators was 1, and the the operator is equal to. So here is 30 identifiers and one keyword and one operator. So here comes total of 32 tokens. Here comes the total number of tokens of 32. So that's all for the first experiment. Thank you.